one hand.
Luke, shut.
How did you break?
My shoes.
How did you break?
Look. These are my shoes. I got shoe marks.
Now show us the cross helmet.
Doris saved my life.
Happy star.
Yeah, happy star. I'm a very happy star. This is upside down. That's my trademark right there.
Hey, where?